Hi, I'm Manning, and I'm going to spend just a moment to add on to what happens if you can't find a small solar panel where you are. These are 10-watt solar panels, and the advantage is they fit in this box, but first of all, you may not be able to find the box of this size, or you may not be able to find the panel of this size. So I'm going to show you a couple others that came actually from different places, one in Africa and one in the United States. Here's a larger one. It's a little bit bigger panel, it charges faster, and it's something that's about $20 US. Those are available widely. This is another example of one that is actually from Senegal, but you can find these. It's glass with an aluminum casing, and curiously, they're actually less than $20, about $15. So depending on where you are, you may decide you want a different size panel, because that's what you can get. However, if you get a larger panel, it's a little tricky getting them on a small box. So you might consider getting a larger box to go with that. It helps support the panel better, and you can see that here. So some different options. The one thing to note, though, however, is if you do get the larger panel, you need to change the voltage on the panel to match the power that's required for the Pi. And there's called a voltage regulator, or a step down from 20 volts down to 5 volts. These are commonly available, and we'll talk about them later. But just to show you what it looks like, inside the box, the small little converter is right here. They're typically used in cars, actually. They take devices in your car that you use in your cigarette lighter, and they can convert them so you can charge your phone, actually. Very common. So this is a small device. It's just a few dollars, but it does add a little bit of complexity because you have to change the voltage from the larger solar panel to the 5 volts that's required for the Raspberry Pi device. So if you, however, if you do have the option of buying the smaller panel, really it's a big advantage. It's less expensive, it's lighter, and it also has this kind of plastic coating, so it's relatively well protected. But the big difference here is it doesn't require any special connectivity, just a USB cable that goes into the battery pack.